Hello everyone, I am Mevlüt Gümüştepe. Today I am going to talk about my second year internship. Here is the outline and the presentation will take around 5 minutes. Let me start with the introduction. Aspitsan Energy was founded in 1971 in Kayseri Organized Industrial Zone. It's owned by Turkish Armed Forces Foundation. The company has a diverse product portfolio for both public sector and defense industry. Also, the company has 4 R&D centers for innovation and quality. Let me move to the current system. In the current system, all the departments prepare their budget requirements for the next year. After the sales department prepares its plan, the procurement department should also prepare a procurement plan and budget requirements plan. Let me continue with the problem definition. The procurement plan is made manually by the authorized staff according to the experience of them. Since it's made manually, there might be several problems like stockouts and extra budget requests monthly. Therefore, this problems is caused by the complexity of the problem because of the constraints like inventory capacity, lead time, and various costs. Let me move to the objective of the project. The main objective of the project is to prepare and optimize the procurement plan, considering lead time, maximum and minimum inventory levels, and the various costs. Also, another objective of the project is to contribute to long-term growth of the company, like resource management, financial control, and strategy development. Let me move to the methodology part. There are 2 in this, as you see in the slide. I represents the raw materials and W represents the weeks. Also, there are 4 division variables, which are X, Q, I, and S. X is the binary variable that controls whether an order is placed or not in the responsible week. Q represents the amount of raw materials in the orders. I represents the inventory level, and S represents the stock out amount. Also, there are several problems in there are several parameters in the model, which are transportation cost, ordering cost, penalty cost, maximum and minimum inventory levels, lead time, demand, and available budget. Let me continue with the model. The objective of the model is to minimize the total cost, including transportation, ordering, and penalty. Also, the model considers the inventory cost, which is calculated by multiplying inventory level, ordering cost. Also, we can say price of the raw material, and also 1% value. The holding cost is calculated in that way because if the company invests its money for a different area, it can gain at least 1% from the investment in a week. Also, let me talk about a little bit about the constraints. The first constraint is the balance constraint. The second is the capacity constraint, maximum capacity constraint. The third constraint is it ensures the total of transportation and ordering costs do not exceed the available budget. Also, fourth constraint is the minimum capacity or safety stock constraint. And the fifth constraint ensures the connection between the X and Q variables. Also, the constraints 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the non-negativity and the binary variable constraints. Let me move to the results and discussion part. The mathematical model executed with the actual data by the authorized staff. However, it cannot be shared due to the information security policy of the company. Therefore, the real data was modified with the mathematical transformations like dividing and multiplying by the data management unit. And the test data was used to run the model, and optimum results is yielded. Also, the authorized staff has reported that the model can give optimal results with the real data. Then the model was integrated into the budget management interface of the company in order to use the real data and the up-to-date data. Also, the model assists and helps the procurement department in determining the optimal quantity and the timing for orders. As a conclusion, a mathematical model was used to prevent stockouts and extra budget requests in the procurement department. The model is run with the real data, also with the test data, and optimum results was yielded. Also, the model was integrated into the budget management interface of the company. Thanks for listening to me. Have a good day.